Hi, I'm Matt Fitzgerald, Principal Technical Evangelist at Amazon Web Services at AWS Summit in Sydney. We are here today on the DeepRacer floor. I'm joined by Jared Spiga. We have some pretty interesting stats to report.
Yeah, interesting stats. The first one's probably, since we spoke yesterday, we've had a couple of faster times than what we originally saw. Camera probably won't show it, but we have a new person at the top of the leaderboard, Matt.
Second fastest globally, I understand.
Yeah, second fastest time globally of 8.29 seconds. About
Woo! Go, Matt.
About 0.3 of a second off the world record lap that we've been able to set. And so there's still some time available for those that want to come down and try out your models or try out one of the pre-developed models that we've got and see what time you can get.
All right, so we actually have one of the trophies behind us.
We
you want to
certainly
show that off?
do. At the end of the day, we do have a lovely podium here, rostrum here that people can get up on, and quite a heavy trophy.
There's no
for
plastic
first place.
trophy here, guys.
Lovely, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, lovely engraving and AWS DeepRacer League Sydney 2019 first place. We also have trophies for second and third place as well. We will be having a presentation ceremony around about 4 o'clock this afternoon. We've got until around about 3:50 this afternoon to get your times in the Summit Circuit Series. Now, of course, if you don't have the ability to be able to get down here, you can also compete in the AWS DeepRacer Virtual League that is available online through the DeepRacer console that we launched on Monday.
Awesome. So, if you're at Sydney Summit and you have a few minutes to spare, I highly encourage you to come up to the DeepRacer floor. Adam Spencer is emceeing up here, and you can check out what these guys are doing with their cars. And I guess we're going to be looking to see whether Matt can be beaten with his, I guess, the Australian record-breaking time of 8.29 seconds.
And even if you don't want to get hands-on, we've got a grandstand area up over here. We've got roughly around about 100, maybe 150 people up there watching the action. We also have a lovely DJ here putting on some good tunes for us. Thankfully, the music's a little bit low for this recording. Some men at work, I think, playing at the moment. We had Adam Spencer dancing to the Spice Girls yesterday, which is kind of weird. Average weight cues to actually try something, try a car on the DeepRacer floors, maybe about 4 or 5 minutes wait, so that you can pretty much get in, try it, get hands-on, be hands-on with machine learning.
Anything else that we want to talk about on the DeepRacer floor workshop? Are we all done with workshops?
No, we've still got a couple of workshops. The final run of workshops will kick off at 1:15 this afternoon. We're seeing about 100 to 120 people come through each session of the workshop. Each workshop session. We're running 2 workshops at a time, so we've got still capacity to train up another 240 odd people or so. In that training, we are presenting and teaching the details, the ins and outs of reinforcement learning. I've even been playing with the audience a little bit with giving them some reinforcement by giving chocolates to good answers and little rewards as people have been progressing. But then also when you're in those workshops, you'll get an AWS burner account to work with. And you'll get the ability to build a reward function, put it through training, and then at the end of the workshop, hopefully you can pop it on a USB key, bring it to one of your cars and see how it performs on track.
Awesome. Well, if you want to, improve your chances on getting to reInvent in Vegas at the end of the year, I highly recommend you come up and get involved.
Absolutely. And again, if you miss out on the Summit Series here, you can also participate in the Virtual League. Additionally, with the launch of the DeepRacer console, there is a free tier available with the DeepRacer console. So as soon as you access the DeepRacer console for the first time, within 30 days, you've then got the ability to do 10 hours worth of training at no cost within the DeepRacer console, and additionally you've got 60 simulation units within RoboMaker, which is roughly around about 10 hours worth of simulation.
Well, awesome stuff, Jared. That's all we have for you down at the DeepRacer floor. We'll catch you soon.
Thank you.